finally started to see some progress with my AI algorithm, and I wanted to show you the feedback I got from it that made me think like, ooh, okay, like I think this is working now. My name's Kirsten and I'm building Bisque, a survey platform that actually cares if you get good data, and one of the underhyped features is the AI model I've been working on. I say underhyped because I probably spend the least amount of time talking about it, which is funny because it's definitely the feature that's driving why I'm doing a platform in the first place. A lot of people tried to push me towards building a GPT wrapper or something, and it's oh, just build a tool that gives people feedback on their surveys. The reason I didn't go that route is because I'm actually trying to solve the problem of bad survey design. And I think to best solve that problem, I need to meet people where they're at, and where they are at is in survey platforms. I have a lot of tools now that people could use to write better survey questions, and some people are using them, but not a lot. There are still so many bad survey questions out there, and it's because it's trying to change habits by introducing a new step someone would have to do, right? Someone would have to be maybe these questions aren't that good. I'm gonna go use Kirsten's tool to check to see if the questions are good and then implement the feedback, and then I'm going to put them in my platform. It's there's too much friction there, right? It's just probably not going to happen on a large scale. On the flip side, by building a survey platform that can compete with the best of the best platforms out there and is offered at a much lower price point, easy entry point, right? Easy to direct people to a platform that's cheaper and easier to use and just all around awesome. And then while they're there, be hey, these questions aren't that good. Maybe you should rethink them. When I was testing my platform the other day, I put in 2 intentionally bad questions. How satisfied are you with our service? Very satisfied, neutral, not satisfied. And here's what my AI model came back and said at a high level. It basically said this is a common trap of asking about satisfaction, which sounds helpful, but it's too vague to be meaningful. Yes, this is exactly something I would say. I hate overall satisfaction questions. I describe them as questions where it's you either feel good or you feel bad, but you don't really know what to do. So I love that the algorithm pointed that out. I like that it also flagged missing context, which is something I talk about a lot, and it also caught that I hate neutral categories. To me, they're just a garbage can of responses. Does it mean someone's indifferent, they're not sure, they don't want to pick, that they just don't want to answer their question? It even recommends breaking this into more specific questions, which is totally something I would say. Just as a quick example, if you were to put this into your normal ChatGPT, it suggests that for the first question you use a 5-point Likert scale instead of just 3 points, which I had. It says nothing about satisfaction being too generic, and also keeps in the neutral. These are lazy bad surveying habits.